Hey guys, welcome back to a video of Tony's phone collection. Today we have, these lights are probably going to turn off in a little bit, an iPhone 5C that we put through the water and everything. I think it's probably dead now, but we're going to do some drop tests on it. I marked both of these phones with blue marker on marks that's already been there. And even on the screen, there's a little chip there and a little crack there. And then also, we're going to do a drop test of this S3. There's that crack there. And then a couple marks on the frame. But yeah, we're going to drive out to a place with some lights because it's kind of night out time. It's really dark out, so let me unplug my transmitter and turn off my radio. So I'm going to go on and stop the video, and as soon as I find a place to do this, I will go and start the video again. Alrighty, so here I am. I'm at a parking lot, actually at Subway, and it's got some pretty decent lights out here right across from Verizon. And what we're going to do is I'm going to have the phone set on my leg, then I'm going to get out and we're going to watch it fall. And no, I'm not putting my shoes on, so I don't care. It's fine. But we got the S3 and then the 5C. Let's go and do the 5C first because it's probably been two more. So let's go and try to get out. And that pretty much landed on the screen too, but I don't think it cracked. And right now we're in my Chrysler Aspen, so it's kind of a bigger SUV, so it does sit up pretty high. It looks like it hit, if this phone will focus, right there on the top corner. Let's see if I can get it to focus here. Well, no, of course not, but there you go. That's what happened right there. See, right up in that top corner. Nothing too bad. Could be worse, could be better, so let's go ahead and do the Galaxy S3. These both do have batteries. The S3 has no power and does not work, and then the iPhone 5C is locked. So here goes the S3. So far, they both aren't cracked any worse than they were. This one also hit up at the top. I don't know why my phone won't focus. I'm recording this with my iPhone 13 Pro Max, and apparently it sucks at doing anything, apparently. But there's some marks up at the top there. That looks to be about it. Let's go back to the poor little iPhone 5C, and we'll go on the screen this time. And that landed on the back, so the screen is just fine. And the back, showing some new marks up there at the top, and some down here at the bottom. Other than that, doing just fine, it looks like. Looks like we might have another chip out of the glass from that the top drop. Looks kind of like it's going to focus now, right there. Here's where it hit the first time. And I did wipe my camera lens, so I don't know why it's struggling so much. So back to the S3. Screen down. And we're going to get out of the truck. This one just likes to hit the top corner for some reason. But we got more damage now. As you can see, it did hit that corner. The plastic looks like it probably caved in and added another little crack right there. Here's some damage right there. A couple more marks here. Maybe down there. So Back to the 5C because it seems to be the trooper. And the screen is coming out, which this could be a cheap screen. I don't know. I don't know the history of either one of these phones, but screen looks pretty good. Looks like there's some marking up there at the top. A few here on the bottom, maybe. Still doing good though. Back to there's a pretty rough chewing right there in the corner of that screen right there as well. Back to the S3. And I kind of gave that one a toss off my leg like I did the iPhone. That I think landed on the back. Just gonna clip the back cover back on. Back looks just fine. The screen cracked some more on this end, but still looks good. That looks to be the only damage there. And now we're just going to, I guess, just kind of toss them out of the car. So we'll start with the iPhone and the Samsung. The iPhone looks like it hit right there in the top. And there's kind of just through the back side of it. Screen did okay. And the Galaxy, the back cover came off a little bit. Looks like it maybe hit right here on this end. And the screen, minus my greasy fingers getting them all dirty, looks to be about the same. So we're going to start and just hold them by the corner and just drop them out. That went under the truck, of course. And then the Galaxy. They both went under the truck. Hey, look, two white phones just chilling. Grab both of them. Ooh, the Samsung did not look good from that one. So here's the iPhone. Got a really big chip on the glass from that one. Just taking a pretty good beating all around. And the poor Samsung. Massive shattering that corner upward. So we're going to do a backdrop and a face drop on both of them. So we'll go backdrop on the 5C. And then a backdrop on the S3. The backdrop on the iPhone has yet to crack the screen. Camera lens is okay. Just a few marks on the housing. And the Galaxy back cover came off. The camera lens has not cracked, which is surprising. So now we'll do a screen drop. There goes the iPhone. That's a poor screen drop on the Samsung as well. But looks about the same, to be honest. Let's see if we can break the camera lens on the back of this. There it was, cracked it just like that. And the poor iPhone just completely shattered. I'll have to get home and plug this in. Actually, in this truck I have a plug-in. We'll see if we can get it to turn on. So, inside my console here, have a home charger. And then I have a plug-in back here. It's a household charger. I can turn it on down here. And then plug in the iPhone and see if we have any life. The Galaxy didn't work at all. Like, it had no signs of life. Now, this is the phone that did go through the water and all that stuff. So, I mean, I haven't messed with it since the last video I made of it. So, it's probably why it may just be acting kind of funny from that. But there we go. She's, the iPhone definitely looks worse, actually, to be honest. I want to drop the Samsung on the screen as well. Maybe see how it looks, to be honest. Because for some reason, it looks worse. There we go. That should make me feel a little bit better without them both dropping on the screen. But it still doesn't look that bad. But I already have an S3 in my collection, so I wasn't too worried about losing that one. But the iPhone's still bootlooping, it looks like. So that's going to be a wrap for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.